Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing some unique mojitos, my signature drink, and you can see these two. Have some. And they are super delicious, super easy to prepare, and it's a very unique drink, I must say, because today I'll be using some unique ingredients, that is sorrel flower, Sougri Mojito. This has got many names. It's known as hibiscus, sorrel, gongora, and Roselle. And another one, this is Heimang. It's called Heimang in Manipuri. I've already soaked them overnight. For the Roselle, I've put hot water, but for the Heimang, I've soaked it in cold water, normal water. And I'll be using some mint and Sprite. I don't have Sprite, so I bought the similar taste. So let's start preparing them. It's very easy. First one is the Roselle. The color is very nice. And I'll be using mint. Just stir it and put it. If you like, you can use the gongora to garnish it. You can adjust the quantity of the Sprite and the hibiscus water. Stir it. This is as simple as that. Ooh. My god, it's slightly sour, and you can definitely taste the sorrel in it. Sougri gi manam su lae, aduga khazik sintak tawe ko, the sin basi nang na adjust taw yai, yam sin haning bra, khazik sin haning bra, yam pa na sin haning bra, adjust taw yai. My god, look at the color, just love it. Sougri is life. Superb, delicious, and it's quite healthy. Both of them are very healthy. Wow, it's awesome. The next one is the Heimang Mojito. You can see the lovely color of the Heimang. While soaking the Heimang, don't put lots of water. Put some mint leaf and the Sprite. Yes, look at the color. It just looks like white wine or champagne. I just love these two drinks. They look beautiful, taste delicious, and they are quite unique, and I would say good for health also, other than the Sprite. Once in a while it's fine. Enjoy the drink. Now my Heimang Mojito. Stir it. You can see the bubble. Cheers. My god, superb, delicious. You can just taste the aroma of the Heimang, the sourness, just give you that clean sourness taste. my god, super 하오ꯕꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯧꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯩꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯝꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ. It's so refreshing and both of them look gorgeous. You can see the color. I just love them. ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯕꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯂꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯕꯨ ꯐꯖꯈꯤꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯕꯕꯜꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩꯌꯦ ꯊꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯦ only 3 ingredientsꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ. Please try out this recipe and let me know. It's very easy to prepare and super delicious. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Take care.